The RTX 1250 i2 utility tractor from Vermeer is an evolution in utility installation equipment. Smart, tough, versatile, and productive. This intelligent tractor delivers several productivity advantages, like Productivity Zone, a smart feature that identifies the ideal operating range and ground speed for the rear attachment being used to help optimize machine performance. Speaking of attachments, Vermeer has made it more convenient to reconfigure the tractor with intelligent i2 attachments that can be switched out in as little as 60 minutes. A 127 horsepower, 95 kilowatt Deutz diesel engine provides efficient power for high-load installs in difficult ground conditions and provides a smooth, comfortable ride with reduced noise and vibration. Optional self-leveling auto tilt helps operators navigate tough, uneven terrain. An isolated platform helps reduce vibration, while conveniently placed controls and optional climate-controlled cab help keep the operator comfortable and productive throughout the day. The Vermeer RTX 1250 i2 utility tractor, evolving utility installation for the future.